Hello, welcome to my new video series, Roblox Diseases. Of course, this is a joke. All of these videos will be jokes. Kind of. Some are kind of true. Like this one's kind of true. Okay, here, mobile player brain. This is the disease we're doing. How to get it. By playing on mobile, you have a 75% chance of getting it. How to see if you have it. If you mostly play on mobile, you most likely have it. Symptoms. When you play PvP games, people say easy to you a lot when they kill you. You are bad at PvP. You are very slow at chatting. You are bad at lobbies. How to cure it. If you start playing on PC or console, you have a 50% chance to cure it. If you play Roblox a lot, 99% chance of curing it. Well, I think that's the end. It's a minute long, so hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.